Well, hey everyone, this is Jeff, and I'm going to share with you some websites that I use. Might be able to help you out, and you're going to get this. If you choose to opt in, this is one of the emails that you get, and the other ones are, how much money do I need to start investing? Where do I invest my money? How do I read charts? Understanding options, how options work, that type of thing. So, I mean, if you think this is valuable, then obviously you can opt in and get more of it. So every single week, I actually send you out, what I'm thinking about, and you're going to learn what I'm in as well. That might not help you unless you're obviously in our on our secret Facebook group. But I'm just going to share with you real quickly. Obviously, Twitter. And you're saying, well, Twitter. I'm not on Twitter. If you're up to date in financial stuff, there's a few people that I follow, and if you click on me, you're going to know who I follow. These people are, I've been learning from for a while, so you want to take a look at that. Okay, so also T3Live.com. I'll show you that real quick. I actually picked this book up at the library, and it's kind of, I was like, oh my gosh, these guys on it, and they look like typical New Yorkers. And I actually read the book, and I thought it was fantastic. So I actually went to their website. A lot of people write books as a marketing tool, and this one worked for on me. But they were promoting obviously their business, T3 Live. But these guys are real traders in real time, which is kind of cool. And they also do something called the virtual trading floor, so you can see what they're involved in. Now, you're saying, well, I'll just trade what they trade. Now, that's what I said too. And I started doing that, but I lost some money because how I was trading is I was doing through options, and they were just trading stocks. Now, they do trade options as well, but for the most part, they trade stock, and what we're doing is completely different. So, but what I do every single day is I actually watch the morning call, and I also watch the daily recap of, kind of finding out what his thought process is. I really like Scott because of his outlook in life. And if you learn more about, if you read the book that they wrote, and start learning more about him, he's a good outlook on life. And, his glass is definitely half full versus half empty. So Options Express, by now, hopefully you understand that's where I trade. I've been trading there for a long time. Because obviously I trade options. But TD Ameritrade, once you have a TD Ameritrade account, you want to have a Thinkorswim icon on your screen. This is another place that I trade, very option friendly, really cool stuff on Thinkorswim. Finviz, I love this. I found this from a book. Pretty much what you want to do is you want to find companies, or not companies, excuse me. We're going to first of all understand the general direction of the market, and it's really easy by looking right now. This is on the weekend after the 500 point drop. Everything's red, right? So crazy. So obviously downtrend, that type of thing, and I'll show you that here in a second with the other website that I use. But what I typically do is click on groups. This is a free website too. And it tells me basically this is the sectors. It tells me what sectors are hot and what's not. So if I kind of 1 year performance, healthcare, obviously, but then it was utilities, and utilities is losing the most money right now. Then what you do is you click on industry, and you find out what's going on in the industry. And if I click on performance, and again, this is outlined more in detail on if you just go to, once you opt in, I'll give you that information. But let's click on previous week. This is the worst performing areas. Gold was the best, and then all the way down to silver, and then utilities here, which we were just looking at. So again, I'd show you how to read this as well. But it's really really good to know. Basically, you want to invest in you put your money in to work what's going up. If you're banking on the market going up, or the sector or the industry going up. Now, in the course, obviously, the goal is to make money both ways. So you can make money when the industries or stocks or sectors are going down as well. So then the final website, I think the final website that I gave you is stockcharts.com. Really cool website as well. And what you can do is kind of find out what's going on here. XLK. I mean, let's just look at some of the. So if we just type in some stuff, SPY, everything is down below the 200-day moving average. So things obviously don't look good at all. Usually when things are down below the 200-day moving average, that's when you want to get out or understand how to make money on the downside. And some of the trades that we're in right now, we're making money when the market's going down. And I feel bad for a lot of people right now because they're buy and hold, or I'll just buy stuff and forget about it, and they're losing money all day long. So right now, right now again, it's the 200-day moving average doesn't look good. If I kind of and this is all stuff you're going to learn. You just see me throw in tickers right now. Tickers are symbols of stocks or indices, and this is the Nasdaq right here. Anyway, so I'm just kind of typing in some stuff now. Obviously, you're seeing some down stuff, but if I type in what I was just talking about, gold, GLD, then obviously you're starting to see kind of a move up. If I use the 5 and the 50-day moving average here. Typically when these cross is a change in trend, at least short term to intermediate. So basically, and the goal is to ride the trend as much as you possibly can. Now we will take trades individually here and there. I'll show you one that I kind of like right now, Disney. And you're saying, why do you like Disney? It's just kind of in a downtrend. Well, if you know what kind of candle this is, this was a bullish candle on Friday. So you look for Disney to rebound slightly. Again, we're not expecting Disney to go back up to all-time highs. We're expecting Disney just to move up a little bit to make some money fast. And so anyway, so that's kind of some of the things that we do. I encourage you to kind of take more of a look. If you like what you see, opt in, and I'll give you more information. All right? And I'll also give you my weekend outlook as well. Take care. Bye-bye.